Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Incessant rainfall brings havoc in Sattari and Bicholim. One dies due to lightning strike. Traffic paralyzed. Mollem-Ponda road blocked. Congress dissolves Daboli block committee after their open revolt. Mollem pledges to campaign for BJP in entire Mollem-Ponda taluka. BJP releases its manifesto, special status, special financial package to mining dependents, developing Mopa Airport while upgrading Daboli Airport, key points. Sonia Gandhi's public meet just 4 days away, Congress yet to fix venue, big wigs unsure about getting massive crowd. And Liverpool way of training comes to India. LFC DSK International Football Academy in Pune to start in June. Selection trials in progress at Duler Stadium. Now news in detail. Sudden incessant rain created havoc in Sattari and Bicholim taluka on Friday evening. Rain showers along with a storm, lightning, thunder and gusty winds led to panic. Lightning claimed life of one Naresh Falkar at Tariwada Pilgaon. Traffic was paralyzed due to uprooting of trees and water clogging. Power supply too was off in major parts of both the talukas. Loss worth crores has been reported, including damage to agricultural and horticulture crops.
While the state and its administration was busy in the poll and campaign, rain fury struck Sattari and Bicholim talukas. Both the talukas witnessed sudden heavy showers of rainfall in areas like Bicholim, Pilgaon, Sankli, Walpoi, Keri and Solla. Heavy storms were accompanied with thunder and lightning in the areas. Trees were uprooted in various parts in Sattari and Bicholim. Roof tiles of houses were whacked with gusty winds. Flooding water led to water clogging in areas and gushing in the houses. Rain fury led to disruptions in power in these talukas. Traffic was paralyzed and blocked due to heavy rainfall and water clogging. People on their routine had to face hardships while travelling back home. Buses and vehicles were blocked due to uprooting of trees. The showers brought along thunder and lightning too. Lightning struck one Naresh Falkar from Tariwada Pilgaon. Falkar died with a lightning stroke. He was out to get the grass for the cattle. A tree uprooted on a dwelling in Walpoi. It injured one. Bicholim ground was flooded due to water clogging. Firefighting personnel had a tough time rushing to the areas for the rescue and to clear the blockades. Power supply got disrupted due to the tree fall, property loss, and the loss to the agricultural and horticultural crop has been estimated in crores. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Daboli MLA of Congress, Momin Gudino, has decided to campaign for the BJP in entire Mollem-Ponda taluka. Momin has taken this stand after Congress dissolved Daboli block committee on Friday. However, Congress's candidate of South Goa, Regina Lawrence, has asked God to forgive Momin.
Now that they have taken action against my block president, it is not a surprise to me, and neither to them it will be a surprise. They will rather be happy to be relieved of the position because they did not want to work for the Congress.
It will impact the Congress candidate.
Definitely. Now this is going to have a snowballing effect, not only in Dabolim, not only in Kortalim, not only in Vasco, not only in Murmungaon, all the 4 constituencies, and then it moves for the south. And that is what it has always worked that way. You will see. The results will be there to see. It is no surprise at all.
So entire Mollem-Ponda taluka will work for BJP this time.
Yes, I have got appeal in entire Murmagaon Taluka.
Goa Pradesh Congress Committee on Friday dissolved the Block Congress Committee at Daboli and appointed a new one. Judas Anacleto D'Souza is appointed as the new president of the bloc.
काही जे समर्थक आशिल्ले ते मोहनाचे समर्थक काँग्रेस पार्टीचे समर्थक थंय नाशिल्ले थंय बीजेपीचे कार्यकर्त्यांक हाडिल्ले आनी हो शो केल्लो गेलो. काँग्रेस पार्टी has sent a report to the high command and in consultation to the high command we have dissolved the Dabolim block committee. Mr. Judas Anacleto D'Souza हाका हाज्या लिडरशिपे अंडर आमचो कार्यकर्तो आसा ब्लॉक कमिटी आमी अपॉइंट केल्ली आसा. मोहविनाचेर आमी एक्शन घेवपाचें ना कारण ही वॉन्ट्स अस टू expel him. He wants us to take action so that he can become unattached MLA, which we are not going to allow. We are going to ignore him. We are not calling to. We are going to isolate him. We are not calling to meetings also. The meetings सुद्धा आपोवचें ना आमी. So decision आमी in consultation with High Command घेतिल्लो आसा.
South Goa Congress candidate Alex Reginald Lawrence says he has no fight with the party colleagues.
Till date, I have not spoken against him, nor Churchill Alemão, nor Francisco Sartin. I only wish and pray that God forgives them for what they are doing. Because our fight is very clear, our fight is not with them, our fight is with whom I have said, is the BJP.
On Thursday, around 1,000 supporters of Marvin Cudino extended their support to the BJP. Congress's action came as a reaction to this open revolt within the Daboli bloc. Bureau Report, Prudent.
BJP released its manifesto on Friday. The party in its manifesto has stressed on special status to Goa, special financial package to the mining dependents and development of the proposed Mopa airport while upgrading Daboli airport. BJP has also promised amendments in the CRZ notification of 2011 for safeguarding fishing and other coastal communities. Furthermore, BJP has promised to resolve Portuguese birth registration issue of the Goans in Goa and Portugal.
One will be special status is one, two will be an economic purchase will be two, number three will be mining.
CRZ notification 2011 जे आसा हे थोडे घाई गडबडीन जाल्ले अशें म्हाका दिसता आनी ह्या नोटिफिकेशनाच्या वेळाचेर स्थानिक रहिवासी जो दितलो आसा किंवा फिशरमॅन जो आसा त्याच्या भवितव्याचो विचार जालो ना. केंद्रात आमच्या सरकारान नवीन सरकारा कडल्यान ही गजाल लक्षांत हाडून घेवन आवश्यक एमेंडमेंट करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आणि शक्ती वापरतले.
Francis D'Souza clarified that his statement on the apprehensions about Narendra Modi was in reference to the statement made by Church's Council for Social Justice and Peace.
That's what I said, and I felt that it was that way. But my Chief Minister made a different statement. You will be coming to that, I know that. You see, my Chief Minister has been exhaustively touring the South, mostly Catholic-dominated area, which I have not done. And he feels there's no apprehension.
Are you convinced with that?
He is a personal experience, he has expressed it.
No, are you convinced?
I believe my Chief Minister. I have not gone to the South, I have not toured exhaustively as he has done. So my knowledge is limited. North, there's no apprehension.
So where was the apprehension going to?
The apprehension was expressed by the what you call a church body, Council for Social Justice and Peace. They expressed. So that is what I call it apprehension.
Reporter Mahesh Gari with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Sukur IT Park project has been finally abandoned. National Green Tribunal has disposed of an application filed by the Goa Foundation and two villages of Salvador do Mundo challenging the proposal of IT Park using forest lands measuring 87.43 hectares from Sukur and Salvador do Mundo. The state government has communicated its decision to withdraw the proposal to set up the IT Park. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.